Alright, welcome back. So where we left off, we just honed out all 4 cylinders and ridge reamed them, and now we are prepping the head. So I'm taking a box cutter blade here and I'm scraping over everything, and so far it's looking pretty good. No major pitting on any of the water jackets. So before that, I took some gray Scotch-Brite and went over it just to clean up anything that was on there. So this is all we're doing. And we are getting some debris off of it. So I figured I'd start from the top down, clean the whole head, clean the cylinders, and then crawl underneath and clean the cam down there, and then probably slap some pistons in it. So let me clean the rest of the head here, and I'll turn you guys back on when I'm done. Okay, so I scraped the whole head, and now I'm chasing my threads in the block, and it's good to clean the threads inside the cylinder or on your head here. I got a lot of black guck out of them, and I'm just chasing them with a 1/2-13 tap that I have that I got in an estate sale. So if you see a bucket of taps at an estate sale, go ahead and just grab it, because these have been very helpful. And I would highly recommend, if you do a lot of hand tapping, to get a Starrett number 91B tap handle. I love this thing, and at my first machining job I use these every day, and I kind of wish I could use them every day, but then they let you feel exactly what that tap is doing in the hole, and well worth the money, in my opinion, which is only my opinion. You can do whatever you want. So I took my air gun here and I blew out all the bolt holes here, and now I'm just chasing them with my tap. So I'm just using some rapid tap. Always good to keep your tap lubed here. And we'll do that hole. Alright. You're not cutting threads, you're only chasing them, so it should start pretty darn easy. And these have a lot of crap jammed into them. Again, you're only chasing the thread, you're not cutting it. If you feel it cutting, you're doing it wrong. You want to go all the way to the bottom. That's getting pretty tight, so we're going to back it out. And your object, is you're getting all that guck out of your threads, because when you go to torque the head, you want it to be an accurate reading, and if you have junk in your threads, you're not going to get an accurate reading. So I'm doing that to all the holes here, and then I'm going to blow them out again. Probably throw some WD-40 down them and then blow them out with the air gun. Make sure they're nice and clean. And then the maintenance manual states that you need to squirt a couple drops of oil on the bolt before you put it in. So these are torqued with oil on the threads, not dry. Alright, let me keep tapping here. Alright, so cleaned, tapped, and now we're going to blow them out. And it's always good to wear a hearing protection and a face shield and or safety glasses when you're doing this. Very good. Gotta get from the front side. And that's all there is to it. Ah, the smell of rapid tap in the morning. I've missed that. And as you can see, oh, I got a little bit on the camera too. Maybe you can't see, but there's a lot of just junk sitting all around. So now, wipe it down, wipe the cylinders out, and then crawl underneath and clean the crank. Alright, here we are under once again, and these are the journals here I gotta clean up. And work supplied again. Somebody threw away this material. It looks like they used it for a drop cloth, but it's the stretchy, fabric-y kind of stuff. So I got like a whole tarp of that I cut up into strips, and I'm just gonna clean up these journals and inspect or turn it over and see what the oil holes look like, and basically just kind of tidy all under here before I put the pistons in. So let me get to cleaning here and I'll keep you updated. Alright, we are ready to put a piston in. So here I have cylinder 1's piston. It's nice because they stamped 1 right there. We got our nice new bearing with our oil hole cleared out, and our new rings, of course. So the rings, you don't want your gap in the same place like that. You want it like 180 or 90 or 80 degrees away from each other. So we have that. And the piston ring compressor I got is it's like a $9 guy from Amazon. It can go up to, what is it? Where is it at? Oh, there it is. It can go from 2 inch to almost 7 inches. So there is the part number if you wish. So get this guy out, throw the box. It's nice because it has this ratcheting guy here, and you can open it up, maybe. It'll automatically just kind of ratchet itself out for you. Yeah, right there will work. So let me compress this and we'll get back to it here. Alright, so we got it compressed, and on the pistons it says up right here, so it goes in like so. And I'm using SAE 30 non-detergent oil here because my grandpa said so. So get her nice and lubricated here for us. And I made sure to wash my hands here because you don't want any grit down there. Okay. So here we go. We're going to be putting things back together. Now, might have to loosen it a bit here. Oh crap, where did that square Allen key go? This is why you should clean your workspace. Cue the dog barking. Maybe we just give her some persuasion. Ah, son of a... That's why you don't do that. Oh look, there's the Allen key. It fell. Oh, that felt great. And we're losing our light. No, we're not. Okay, sweet. Oh boy, that is gonna feel great. Yeah, I thought. Oh, there it goes. You just gotta push it in by hand. Oh, let's try this again. With the hand out of the way. And there it is! Oh, my thumb. So, there is cylinder 1 piston back in its place. Now to do it 3 more times without walloping my thumb. Alright. Let's do this 3 more times. And I'll bring you guys back when I do. Alright, we have a 4-cylinder once again with pistons in it. And new rings. Don't forget that. I haven't torqued them yet. They're just snug. I'll have to crawl back underneath and torque them. But before I do that, I'm going to jack the front of this thing up because there isn't very much room for me underneath this thing. So I'm going to put the front back up on ramps and give me lots of room. But before I do that, I might put the head on. But before I put the head on, there is a bolt hole on the front, I believe for the alternator bracket, that I have to put in a helicoil. So I got to order one of those. But until then, I can clean a bit. I got a bit of stuff laying around here and underneath. But big step in the Scout project, getting the pistons back in. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, my thumb will make it. I don't know if you can see the purple on it, like right there. That felt great. You should all try that. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.